Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. My new book, Into Shamanism, is now published, and you can buy it from Amazon.com, and you can find a link below the video here, and you can order it. And what is in the book? You can learn about shamanic traditions, you can learn about shamanic healings, you can learn about healing for others, healing for yourself, and you can learn about drum journeying, guided drum journeys, and journey where you go on your own. And you can learn a little about weather shamanism. And the book is very methodical, so you can learn little by yourself. So it's a good support tool in your work. So go to the link below and you can order my new book from Amazon.com, and it comes directly home to you. Thank you.